Hi, it's Anna with Plumber Nails. In this short video, I would like to show you how to do design with swirls. I take a small amount of gel on the tip of the brush and create first a small dot. Then start moving the brush with a gentle arch. It is important that we don't stop and pull the line till it practically disappears. Then I create another dot and I pull the line in opposite direction again till it disappears. Now I make another dot and pull it towards the first one. And I do the similar thing on the other side, but this time I pull it along the outside portion of the line. And from here we can continue adding lines, curls, that as you can notice are quite easy to do. Once we do a little dot, we simply pull it out and this creates this delicate elongated drop shape. We can pull a dot in one direction or in two directions, as you can see here. It is very important that all of those lines are dancing together nicely in harmony, and there is no line that is straight or that it's going towards another with a sharp angle. Once finished, we cure design for 60 seconds in LED lamp and protect it with gel top coat and cure again. I hope this short video will be helpful. And as always, it's just a matter of a lot of practice, and it's always good to have an example that you can look at while learning. Otherwise, it is double difficulty when you have to create it from your head. Enjoy your swirls nail art, and I see you in the next video.